Hello everyone. So in this lecture, we will see the Verilog introduction and operators. So what is the meaning of Verilog? Verilog is a hardware description language, and in the short form, it is represented as HDL, hardware description language. And it is a language used for describing a digital system such as microprocessor, memory, or flip-flop. So ultimately, the Verilog is a language, and it is described as a HDL. Verilog was developed to simplify the process and make it the more robust and flexible. It is used for the hardware design, and the important point to note is what the Verilog language is a case sensitive. What is the meaning of case sensitive? That means small a and capital A is different. Okay, it's a case sensitive, and it is based on programming language C. Here we will see the operators based on the Verilog language. So here in the Verilog language, we have some operators. So the first operator we will see is a bitwise operator. Bitwise operator. So inside the bitwise operator, the first part is unary operator. What is the meaning of unary operator? Unary operator is the one which 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 affects only a single operator. And how to write down the unary operator? It is always write down in the left side of the operand. It is always write down in the left side of operand. Just like if you want to write down the AND operation of A. So I will write on Y is equals to AND A. What does it mean? Here, for example, I am writing A is equals to 4 dash B 1010. What does it mean? We have 4 bits binary. Okay. So here, if you want to describe 4 dash means 4 bits of a binary, and the number is 1010. Its simple meaning is what 1010 with base 2, right? So actually, if you convert into the decimal form, it is 10, right? Now, if after this line, you write on Y is equals to AND operation of A, it's a bitwise operation, right? We have seen bitwise operation. That means it will perform 1 and 0 and 1 and 0. That means the number bit by bit, it will take the AND operation between them. So as you know, AND operation between 1 and 0 will give you 0, 0 with 1 again 0, 0 with 0 again 0. So the answer of Y will you will get 0, and in the result you will get Y is equals to 1 dash B 0. What does it mean? It's a 1-bit binary and the result is 0. Right? I will give you some more example related to it. For example, I am writing Y equals to, this sign is used for the OR. This sign is for the AND. So we will see first the symbols that we will use for different types of logical gates. So here I'm just making one block here to tell you which symbol we will use, right? So this is the symbol here. And this is the gate, primitive gates. So this negation sign is used for the NOT gate. This sign of AND will be used for the AND gate. This sign is used for the OR gate. Cap sign is used for the XOR gate. And if you want to write down the XNOR gate, just make a NOT and then cap. It will work as a XNOR. Okay, so now you can combine different operate symbols and make a different gate. For example, you want to write down NAND gate. So for NAND gate, you can use one NOT and then one AND gate. Similarly, for the NOR gate, we can use one negation and then this sign. This will give you NOR because this is the sign of OR. So these are the some basic symbols that we will use for the gates. Now we will come back to the same question. For example, we are having a is equals to 4 dash b 1010, and I am writing y is equals to or operator a. What does it mean? It will perform the or operation between 1 and, sorry, 1 or, so here I'm writing or 0 or 1 or 0, because it is a bitwise operation, right? A was 1010, so it will perform a or 0 or 1 or 0, so it will give you 1. Clear? Now we will see another case. If x is equals to 4 dash 4 dash b 1101, for example, it's like that. So what it will do, if we will write down y is equals to cap x, as it is a unary operator. Cap x means what? It will perform the XOR operation between 1 XOR with 1, XOR with 0, XOR with 1. So what it will give? It will give you 0 0 0 0 0 0 1. So it will be 1. So this is what y is equals to 1. But in the result, how it will come? It will come like 1 dash b 1, because one bit of binary 1. So this is what a bitwise unary operator. Now we will see bitwise binary operator. That is the second part here. So let's see second part, binary operator. Binary operator used between two different operands. Okay, for example, I have any operand a and we have any operand b, and a is represented as, for example, uh, 4 dash b 1001, and b is represented as 4 dash b 1000. For example, it's this one. And we have to find out y is equals to a or operation b. So it will, what it will do, it will be a bitwise operation. It will write down a is equals to 1001 and b is equals to 1000, and it will perform the or operation. So 1 0 will give you 1, 0 0 will give you 0, 0 0 will give you 0, 1 1 will give you 1. So at the result you will get y is equals to 4 dash b 1001. Clear? Now, for example, I take another example based on the binary operator, and you are writing like a is equals to 4 dash b 100001 and b is equals to 1101. What will be the output if you write down a and b? So it's, as you know, this is the bitwise operator. You write down 000 of a. Okay, a is what? 0001, and b you can write down as 1101. Now if you perform the AND operation, you will get 1000. This is the binary and bitwise operator. So in the bitwise operator, we have seen two types. One is unary, another one is binary. What is the difference? In the unary operator, we have a single operand. In the binary operator, we have a two operands. In between, we have operators. Now, the second type is the arithmetic operators. So in the arithmetic operators, we have basically 5 types. One is the addition. Addition will be represented by plus sign, subtraction, negative sign, multiplication by star, hash sign. This slash sign is used for the division, and this percentage sign is used for the modulus. Modulus is for the remainder. For example, you want to add two numbers, how you will write down? A will be written as, for example, 4 dash b 0011, and b I am writing as a 4 dash b 1001, for example, like this. And I am writing y is equals to a plus b. That means it will perform the arithmetic addition. Okay, so how you will do? 0011 1001. Now you add this number from the LSB side. 1 plus 1 will give you 0, carries 1. 1 1 will give you 0, carries 1. This is 1 and this is 1. So at the result, you will get y is equals to 4 dash b 1100. Clear? Now we will see the third type. In the third type, we have a relational operator. In the relational operator, it will compare two numbers and return either 0 or 1. If it is true, then it will give you 1. If it is false, then give you 0. For example, I am writing A is equals to 4 dash B 1100, and I am writing B is equals to 4 dash B 0011. And here I have written A is greater than B. So as you can see, A is greater than B, so you will get Y is equals to like this. That means it will check whether A is greater than B or not. As you can see, A is 1100 and B is 0011. 12 is greater than 3. So it will give you the result as 1 dash B 1 because it's true. Why? If I am checking like this, A is less than B, as this is false condition, you will get 1 dash B 0. So this is the relational operator. Now we will see the equality operators. This is the fourth type. In the fourth type, we have the equality operators. In the equality operator, for example, I am writing A is equals to 4 dash 10000 like this. And B I am writing as, for example, 4 dash B is 4 dash B 000 or 010, for example, like this. And I am writing A is equal to B. So it will check whether A is equal to B or not. As this is a false condition, it will give you 1 dash B0. That means false. And if you want to check whether they are not equal to, so not equal to will be checking like this: A is not equal to B. As this is the true condition, you will get A dash 1 dash 1 dash B1. Correct? Now we will see the shift operator. That will be the fifth part here. So in the shift operator, this sign is used for the right shift, and this sign will be used for the left shift. Now I will give you an example. If you have any number like A is equals to 4 dash B 1010, and this is A, and I am writing here Y is equals to uh, B, oh sorry, A right shift by 1 unit. So what it will do? It will do the right shift by 1 unit. Right shift means what? One all up. First you write down A, so it's A. Now you move to the right side like this, right? So it's what? One will be moved here, 1, 0 will be moved here, 0, and this is 1. And always pad 0 in front of it because it's only the right shift. So you will get 4 dash B 0101. Now for the same question, if I write Y is equals to A, this sign left shift by 1 unit. So what we have to do? You have to move, first write down A here 1010. Now move to the left side. So left side, here it is 0, here it is 1, here it is 0, and here you pad 0. So the answer will be 4 dash B 0100. Similarly, if I am writing for the double shift, so Y is equals to A double shift means what? A 2 times shift. Okay, so first you write down A is equals to 1010. This is the right shift, so you will get what? 0101 right shift, right? Like this. Now again, this is for the single shift. If it is a double shift, then you have to pad 0 again, and then this 1 will come here and this 0 will come here. So what you will get final answer? Y is equals to 4 dash B 0010. Okay, now we will see the fifth or fourth or fifth. It's a sixth type for the conditional operator. So now we will see the sixth type, that is the conditional operator. Conditional operator will be written like output. This is the syntax that we have to use. Output equals to condition to be checked, question mark, then true colon false value. Okay, true value or false value. So for example, you are writing here A is equals to 4 dash B 1010, and I am taking B also as 4 dash B 1010. And after this, for example, I have written any line like Y is equals to A is greater than B question mark A is to B, close with the semicolon. So what it will do, it will check this condition. A is greater than B. So you can say it's a false condition. If it's a false condition, then Y is equals to B. Okay. So what it will do, it will check this condition. If A is greater than B, then A is the answer. Y is equals to A is the answer. But if A is not less than B, that means false condition, then Y is equals to B is the answer. Clear? Now we will see some extra questions related to direct values. So for example, they are giving some expressions like this. A is equals to 1 dash B 1, for example, you take. B is given as B is equals to 2 dash B 00. C I am taking as 2 dash B 10, and D I am taking as 3 dash 1 B 110, for example. I am writing Y is equals to colon B comma C. What does it mean? It will combine the value of bits of B and C. So what is B? B is 00. So for answer of Y1, for example, I'm writing Y1. So it will combine the value that is 00 with 00, 010. So how many bit will be there? 4 bits. So I can write down 4 dash B. First you write down B that is 00, and then C that is 10. Similarly, second time I have written Y2 is equals to A comma B comma C. So what will be the answer? First you count the number of bits. 1 bit in A, 2 bit in B, 2 bit in C, total 5 bits. So you write down 5 dash B, then value of A that is 1, value of B that is 00, value of C that is 10. So this is the answer. Clear? Now we will see another part. For example, I am writing Y3 is equals to A comma B comma C comma D comma 3 dash B 001. In the curly bracket, whatever we will write down, it will combine. So first you write down the values here, right? So what is the value of A? A is 1. B is 00, 00. C is 10. C is 10. D is 110. And whatever number is written, you just write down 001. Now you count the number of bits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So here you write down 11 dash B. Clear? So Y3 will be like this. Similarly, if I am writing Y4 equals to curly brackets 4 in brackets A curly bracket. And we know that A is equals to 1 dash B1. So what is the meaning of this one? It's a copy of A 4 times. Is a copy of A 4 times. That means here you will get 1, 1, 1 4 times, and this is 4 dash B. Clear? Now, for example, I have written Y5 as A comma B 0 comma C1. So first you have to write down A. A we already know that is 1. B0. B0 means what? It is the least significant bit of B. Least significant is this one, right? So it's B0, right? This is B0. and this is B1. We require only B0. So B0 will be 0 here. What is C1? C1 means the second least significant bit of C. Second least significant bit is C1 here, right? It's 0, C0, this is C1. So here you have to write down C1, that is 1. So now how many bits are there? 3 bits. You can write down 3 dash B. Clear? Now the last question, why 6 if you are if I am written as 4 curly brackets A 2 times curly brackets B. That means 4 copies of A. That A is what? 1. So here you write down 4 times 1, 1, 1, 1. B you have to write down 2 times. And what is the value of B? B is 0, 0, right? So here you write down 2 times B. So it is 0, 0, 0, 0. Clear? So here you, how many bits are there? 8 bits. So you can write down 8 dash B, and this is the final answer, right? So this is all about the Verilog introduction and the Verilog operators. Thank you for watching.